Students, a very good morning to all of you. Those who have joined me right now, time and again you have been asked to put the keep your videos on. But I just don't understand कि क्या problem क्या हो रही है आप लोग के साथ. क्या कुछ problem हो रही है जिसके कारण आप लोग वीडियो नहीं ऑन कर पा रहे हैं? क्या हो रहा है? अभी तक मैं आपको वीडियो ऑफ करके बात कर रही थी. क्या आपको अच्छा लग रहा था? आप ढूंढ रहे थे ना कि from where ma'am is talking. आशुतोष?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप ये खुद सोचो कि when you are talking to me and you're not visible, will I like it? क्या मुझे इंटरेक्शन करने में मजा आएगा? क्या मुझे अच्छा लगेगा आपसे बात करने में?
No, ma'am.
तो फिर ये क्यों हो रहा है? Why? Every day, every period, every class, all the teachers are telling you people to keep videos on. तो मैंने एक बच्चे को वेटिंग में डाला था कुछ देर के लिए. From next class, I'll not let you enter into the class if your videos are off. Okay? Okay. चलो. हर दिन का एक थोड़ा सुबह का क्लासेस में मोरल हो ही जाता है आप लोग के साथ मेरा. Boys and girls, बहुत ध्यान देने की जरूरत है आप लोग को. Keep yourself very healthy. Take a healthy food. Take a care of yourself so that you are not getting sick. ठंड बढ़ रही है, कम रही है आज. Again, it's very chill. तो सारे बच्चों से it's a request to take care of yourself. क्योंकि हमारे एग्जाम्स भी नजदीक हैं. इस बीच में अगर आप बीमार पड़ जाएंगे तो आपके एग्जाम्स नहीं अच्छे जाएंगे. ओके, सो टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ सो दैट यू डोंट गेट सिक. आप बीमार ना पड़े. ठीक है? ओके, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर योर सिलेबस, एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन सिलेबस विद यू पीपल. आज मैं आप लोगों को एनुअल एग्जाम का सिलेबस शेयर करूंगी आपके ग्रुप में. इन योर एनुअल एग्जामिनेशंस you'll be getting 2 lessons from the first term and 4 lessons from the second term. Okay, am I clear, everybody? Am I clear to everybody? Let me unmute somebody. Aditya Naman, are you getting me what I am saying?
Ma'am?
Aditya Naman, मेरी आवाज आपको आ रही है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Your sound is coming.
My sound is coming. Thank you, Utsav. Now see, in your annual examination, you have got a reduced syllabus. You're getting the syllabus from all the sections, all the subjects. I can see that in the groups also. And in science also, the syllabus has been reduced and you will be getting only 6 lessons probably. 2 from the first term and 4 from the second term. So we'll start doing the revision. We have done the revision from the first term for lesson 1 and 2. And today we'll do the revision of second term, that is properties of water. Is it okay with you people?
What, ma'am?
Is it okay with you people? Should I start the revision of lesson 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Properties of water. Somebody's talking.
Yes, ma'am. She does that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So properties of water. In this lesson, we had seen the speciality of some properties of special properties of water. Water has got some special properties. In this lesson, we studied about the solution, we studied about the solute, solvent, etc. Okay, so let's do the revision. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Those who are there in the class, you can give a quick recap to your question answers. फटाफट एक revision करो, then we'll close the books and then we'll ask the question. 5 मिनट का समय देती हूँ. Meanwhile, मैं कुछ बच्चों से बात करूँ. तब तक आप रिवाइज करें. एक बार फटाफट रिवीजन कर लें so that we can do the question answers. Revision of question answers. If somebody is having problem in any of the lessons till we have studied, तो मुझसे पूछ भी सकता है. They can raise their hands. मुझे पूछें कि मैम ये लेसन का अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, if any of the question you're having any doubt, then you can ask the questions to me. Okay? अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन में कोई डाउट हो तो you can ask me the questions. Arnav, ma'am, which chapter? Beta, right now I said we'll be doing the revision of lesson 8, properties of water. Nobody is having problem. It means that you will be getting 80 on 80 in your annual examination. किसी को किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में लेसन में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वाओ, कितना अच्छा बच्चा हमारे क्लास का है कि किसी भी सब्जेक्ट लेसन में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Because I cannot find anybody raising hands. Okay. आशुतोष को बहुत हंसी आ रही है. May I know why you are laughing? आशुतोष, क्या बात है बेटा, क्यों इतनी हंसी आ रही है आपको? अनम्यूट करो.
यस मैम.
किस बात की हंसी आ रही बच्चे?
मैम हंस नहीं रहे थे.
अच्छा, तो मुझे लगता है मेरे आई साइट पे प्रॉब्लम हो गया है.
नो मैम, मैम वहाँ पे मेरा भाई खेल रहा था इसलिए.
ओह, मतलब पढ़ते वक्त तो भाई को देख रहे हैं. मैंने आपको समय दिया रिवीजन
नो
करने,
मैम.
तो यू आर टेकिंग टाइम. ओके, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ वाटर. Should we start? Okay. इस लेसन में we had studied about the substance which are soluble in water, which are insoluble in water, and when it gets soluble, when you get solution, what are the things which get dissolved in it? What are those things called? And the medium in which they get dissolved, what do we call that word? Okay, so who is going to tell me what is a solution? Shreya, what is a solution? Shreya? Abul,
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
what is solution? Good.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Why should I? Why should I wait, beta? You won't know it means the answer. Aradhya Singh, you are looking for the answer in the copy. Anna, you're looking for the answer in the copy. तो मैंने तो आपको देख के कहने के लिए नहीं बोला है श्रेया. Aradhya Singh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
And give the answer. What is
Mixture formed when a substance dissolves completely in any mixture is called a solution.
mixture formed where any substance dissolves completely in a medium is called mixture. It is called a solution, है ना? हम solution कब कहते हैं? कि हमने किसी चीज को एक मीडियम में डाला and it completely get dissolved. अब वो पूरी dissolve हो जाए. जैसे कि हमने एक ग्लास पानी लिया and when we put sugar into it or salt into it, it gets completely dissolved and we get the solution of sugar and salt. है ना आराध्या?
Yes, ma'am.
तो जिसमें डिसॉल्व हुआ, जिस मीडियम में डिसॉल्व हुआ, what do we call that medium?
Solution.
No, the medium in which it gets dissolved. जिस मीडियम में डिसॉल्व होता है, उस मीडियम को क्या कहते हैं?
Substance.
हाँ ना. Right.
Solvent.
Solvent. Good. They are called solvent. और जो हमने डाला है, sugar and salt डाला, what do we call those substance?
Solution.
No. आराध्या, solution तो आपको मिला. आराध्या, we call it solute. हम उसे solute कहते हैं. Okay, we call it solute, isn't it? Yes. Confidence नहीं है आवाज में. या मैम, हम उसे solute ही कहते हैं. You should give the answer confidently. जो confidence नहीं दिखेगा, है ना? तो आपके answers में confidence होनी चाहिए. Okay, mute yourself. yourself. और कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ जवाब देंगे आप जब कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ जवाब देंगे ना तो योर कॉन्फिडेंस विल बी देयर ऑन योर फेस आल्सो. ओके, नेक्स्ट शानवी राज, अनम्यूट करो. शानवी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Unmute yourself. Shanvi Raj. Ridhima Singh, unmute करो बेटा. Ridhima, unmute yourself. There is some net issues probably because I got disconnected. Anyway, Shanvi, unmute करो. Unmute करो बेटा. क्या हो गया तुम लोग को आज? क्यों नहीं अनम्यूट कर रहे हैं आप लोग? आपके पास ऑप्शन जा रहा है ना? नियति मोहिनी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. नियति?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आंसर दो बेटा. Give the answer.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
I can repeat the question 1,000 times, beta. No problem with from my side. No problem from my side. But this shows your absence in the class. अगर हम क्वेश्चन को दोबारा बोले कोई प्रॉब्लम मुझे नहीं है. बट ये बताता है कि आपकी हाँ
मैम आपका वीडियो बार बार पॉज हो जा रहा था इसलिए आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा था ठीक से.
Okay, चलो. What do you mean by condensation?
Condensation is the process of change of a vapor form of a substance into its liquid form on cooling.
Condensation is the process by which हाँ फिर से बोलो आपकी आवाज.
Form of a change of a vapor form of a substance into its liquid form on cooling.
The process
This
by
process
which
is called
the process by which vapor form of a substance get converted into its liquid form on cooling.
liquid.
Right. Okay, Niyati, right answer. Shan Abdullah.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you and how are clouds formed? How are clouds formed?
Waters from oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes get evaporates due to the heat of sun. They go very high in pool. They and condense to form tiny droplets. In this way, clouds are formed.
Anybody else who wants to repeat this answer? Anybody else who wants to repeat this answer? How are clouds formed? Ashwini Sharma has raised his hand. Bolo. Ashwini.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Yes, ma'am. Water from ocean, seas, rivers, and lakes evaporated and rise up. Evaporates water due to the heat of sun. Evaporates water vapor go very high and they get cooled and condensed from teeny droplets of liquid water. In this way, clouds are formed.
कौन सा ट्रेन पकड़े थे अश्विनी?
Water from ocean, seas, rivers, and lakes evaporated and rise up due to the heat of sun. Evaporate water vapor go very high and they get cooled and condensed from teeny droplets of liquid water. In this way, clouds are formed.
Okay, चलो किसी और से भी पूछें. देखिए मुझे कौन धीरे धीरे जवाब देगा. Okay, प्रतीक कुमार. मुझे बताओ इससे। प्रतीक बोलो, how are clouds formed? Prateek Kumar, unmute yourself. क्या हो गया, आपको अनम्यूट करने नहीं आ रहा है? प्रतीक, who else will give this answer? Who wants to give this answer? Pradima, give this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
How are clouds form? Water from oceans, rivers, and lakes change into vapor as it evaporates due to the heat or due to heat of the sun. These water vapors rise up as they go very high, and they get cooled and condense to form tiny droplets of water, liquid water. In this way, clouds are formed.
चलो किसी और से भी पूछे, देखे कितने को ये याद है। वंशिका, unmute yourself. वंशिका, unmute करो। Vanchika. Okay, it means there is some problem. Many of you are not able to unmute yourself and not able to give the answers. Sorry, it means there is some net issues only. That's why I'm getting disconnected. Anyways, the question was, how are clouds formed? I asked Vanshika to give this answer. Vanshika, give this answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Water from lakes, rivers, and oceans evaporate due to the heat of sun. These water vapors rise up. As they go high, they condense to form tiny droplets of liquid water. In this way, the clouds are formed.
Okay, this was all from 5B. Now somebody from 5C. Somebody from 5C. Let's see who wants to give this answer. 5C. Anusha, give this answer. Bol.
Due to the heat of sun, water from river, sea, oceans rise up and goes up. Through condense, it makes tiny droplets. From in this way, clouds are formed.
Still some of the very, Bhumi is not there. Very good. Okay, so due to the heat of the sun, the water from rivers, seas, ocean get evaporated, goes high up, they get cooled, converted into tiny droplets of water due to condensation, and this is the way the clouds are formed. Okay, next. How does rainwater gets impure? Utsav Rathore.
Yes, ma'am.
How does rainwater get impure?
Raindrops, when just formed, are the purest form of water. Why they reach the surface of Earth, they get impure because they dissolve many harmful gases present in air and also gets mixed up with dust and smoke.
Okay, according to Utsav, what Utsav gave the answer. First, tell me how many of you agree with Utsav that he has given the right answer? Raise your hand virtually. Let me go to the gallery view. How many of you agree that he has given the right answer? Okay, so yes, he has given the right answer. how rainwater gets impure. Rainwater is the purest form of water when it is formed, right? Because it has nothing. When the rain, due to the heat of the sun, water rises up, gets evaporated, rises up, goes up in the air, that get cooled over there, and then they form the tiny droplets of water. And when they start dropping down, they are the purest form of water. आपसे क्वेश्चन भी पूछा जाता है, which is the purest form of water? The rainwater is the purest form of water. But irony is that they become impure when it reaches the earth's surface. इसकी सबसे बड़ी मतलब ये है कि जब ये अर्थ सरफेस को टच करता है उसके पहले ये गंदा हो जाता है. Why it becomes impure? Because it gets mixed with हमारे हवा में, हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में बहुत सारे गंदगी है. यानी it has got some impurities like smoke, dust, germs, etc. So this rainwater gets mixed with these germs, these dust, this smoke, and they become impure. Right? Satyam Singh, did you get what it said? समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
तो फिर बता दो, how does rainwater get impure?
Rainwater get impure. One minute, ma'am.
मैं हूं.
Rainwater get impure. Rainwater get impure due to the dust present in the air.
एयर में डस्ट है, स्मोक है, उससे रेन वाटर गंदा क्यों होगा? तो बताना है आपको ना, व्हाई इट बिकम्स इम्प्योर. Satyam Singh, I'm talking to you. You give the answer to me. Don't look here and there. Satyam, it's good that you sit along with your parents. ये अच्छी बात है, आपको पेरेंट्स साथ बैठना चाहिए. But when the teacher is talking to you, directly to you, you should listen to your teacher first. है ना? चलो. Pratik Mishra will give this answer. How does rainwater become impure?
When, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. When the rain droplet reaches the surface of the earth, the air, the polluted air, the pollutants in the air pollutes the rainwater, and the rainwater gets impure.
Pratik, मुझे एक बात बताओ. Were you there in the classes last days? After how many days you are getting into the class? Pratik, after how many days you are getting into the class? कितने दिनों के बाद? बोलो.
मैम
कितने दिनों के बाद क्लास कर रहे हो बेटा?
मैम करते क्लास.
लास्ट क्लास में थे आप?
हाँ, यस मैम.
लास्ट क्लास में थे?
मैम कल नहीं हो पाए थे.
कल तो संडे था. कल तो
कल
क्लास बेटा, कल तो संडे था.
मैम आए थे.
नहीं आए थे बेटा. You are not doing the class regularly. Don't tell lie. It's going to harm you only, nobody else. Shambhavi Singh, give this answer. How does rainwater become impure?
Yes, ma'am. Rainwater get impure on its way to the earth. By the time they get impure, because they dissolve many harmful gases present in air.
Aradhya Singh, do you want to give this answer? Because I can find you also after very many days back. I saw you many days back. And you're there in my class after so many days. बहुत दिन के बाद आज क्लास में आपको दिखे हैं आप. Aradhya, do you want to give this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Ma'am, raindrops, when just formed are the purest form of water. They became impure because they dissolve many harmful gases present in air and also get dust and smoke mixed up with them.
Very good. Very good. Yes, rainwater when formed is the purest form of water. But when it reaches on the earth, on the way to it gets dissolved with the dust, germs, and smoke and all, and gets impure. Right, Aradhya? Sahi hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Next. Mohit Ranjan, unmute karo. Mohit, unmute yourself. Jaldi karna. Can you name two liquid that does not get dissolved in water? Can you name two liquid?
Ma'am, ink and oil.
फिर से बोलो.
Ma'am, ink and oil.
Ink does not dissolve in water. Ink dissolve नहीं होता. कौन सा ink है मतलब बताओ. मैं देखूंगी कौन सा ink dissolve नहीं होता. Is he giving the right answer, Harshvardhan? Is he giving the right answer?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Right. He's not giving the right answer. So what will be the right answer?
Ma'am, mustard oil and hair. Ma'am, milk
Mustard oil
and
and
ink.
hair oil. Okay. They don't get dissolved in water. Oil being lighter floats on the surface of the water. Mohit, कहाँ हो आजकल तुम? हाँ? पढ़ाई के वक्त यहाँ रहते हो क्या? How can you give this a vague answer? Ink dissolves in water. My question was, name two liquid which does not dissolve in water. Very bad. Okay, next. Priyesh Ranjan. Priyesh, unmute karo beta. Unmute karo tu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you mean by evaporation?
Change of liquid form of any substance in its vapor form is called evaporation.
Okay, the change of liquid form of any substance into its vapor form on heating is called evaporation. सही है? अर्नव कश्यप unmute करो. अर्नव unmute करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name two substances that floats on surface of water?
Ma'am, question repeat.
Two solids that floats on surface of water. I cannot give you so much of time, beta. I cannot give you so much of time. Huh? Okay. बोलो. Two solids
Ma'am,
which does not.
oil,
हाँ बोलो फिर से बोलो.
oil and mustard oil.
Mustard oil is solid ना बेटा? कहाँ ऐसा mustard देखा है जो solid है? मुझे बता दो. Question ही ध्यान से नहीं सुन रहे हैं आप. The question is, name two solids which does not dissolve in water, floats on water. Mustard oil solid है बेटा? Mustard oil solid है या नहीं, पहले ये तो बता दो. राजकुमार, unmute yourself. राजकुमार, unmute करो.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, तुम्हारा वीडियो क्यों ऑफ है?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I keep you in the waiting area? Waiting, वीडियो क्यों ऑफ है? राजकुमार.
मैम मेरा वीडियो इसलिए ऐसा क्योंकि मैम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है.
नेटवर्क
मैम
प्रॉब्लम.
ऑन ही नहीं हो रहा है.
अच्छा चलो मुझे बताओ, टू सॉलिड्स which does not
Yes,
which
ma'am.
floats on surface of water.
Ma'am, cork and thermocol.
Cork या cork?
Ma'am, cork.
Yes, butter paper, thermocol sheet and cork. These are the solids which floats on the surface of water. अर्नव कश्यप को समझ में आया? अर्नव समझ में आया नहीं आया?
Yes, ma'am.
तो मतलब बोलने के पहले सोचेंगे ना क्या बोल रहे हैं. अर्पिता वत्स अनम्यूट करो, वीडियो ऑन करो तुम्हारा. अर्पिता, अर्नव वीडियो ऑफ करो, म्यूट करो अपने आप को. बच्चे वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम, हम लोग के पास समय बहुत कम है. फटाफट हमने ये रिवीजन करके लेसन 9 के रिवीजन का कल का होमवर्क रहेगा. अर्नव, सॉरी अर्पिता. ओके चलो, अर्पिता अनम्यूट नहीं हो पा रही है. एनीवेज नेक्स्ट हम लास्ट के 2 मिनट में हैं. अतिया इकबाल, अतिया इकबाल एडमिट योरसेल्फ बेटा. अनम्यूट किया? आदित्य राज ने किया. अतिया के इकबाल अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Name 2 liquids which are insoluble in water. हमने ये पूछा है. चलो, name a gas which is insoluble in water. What happened? Atiya, name a gas which dissolves in water. It does not dissolve in water. क्या हो गया बेटा?
Ma'am, carbon tetrachloride.